Once again, a very good morning to you all. Children, I hope you all are fine at your home. Okay, so children, today we will do a poem, The Long Way Home, of your English textbook. Okay, and it is a very interesting poem. Before reciting this poem, let's do some warm up. List 3 activities that you like to do at home and outside. Now work in pairs. Discuss your list with your partner's list. Okay, children, you have a lot of activities which you like to do most. Okay, and in this activity you have to make a list of 3 activities which you do like most. Okay, so before reciting the poem, students, let me ask you some questions. Okay, now students, many times your mother had told you to bring some items from a store, and when you return back late, she must have asked you, "Why were you so late, child? And what took such a long time? The store is only at the corner of the road." Or suppose, let us take one more example. Okay, like you went play with your friends, and when you came back late, your parents, particularly your mother, asked, "Why were you so late? It is only 5-minute distance, and what took so long?" So students, from these 2 examples, we can analyze something. And what is it? We can analyze that our parents are concerned about us and they want us to return back at the proper time. So students, what we are going to study today? Today we will recite a poem, The Long Way Home, and it is composed by C.J. Dennis. In this poem, the poet narrates adventure of a child who takes along to his home. And children, do you know who is the child in the poem? The poet himself is the child in the poem. So let's recite the poem. Okay. When I go back from Billy's place, I always have to roam. Roam means, children, to wander here and there. Okay, when I go back from Billy's place, I always have to roam the mazy road, the crazy road that leads the long way home. Okay, so here in these 2 lines, the poet says he has 2 ways to reach home, and he chooses long way home. Okay, and while the poet returns home after spending time with his friend Billy, he has chosen the long way home. Okay, and the road was very mazy. Mazy means confusing and strange. When he has chosen the long way home, the road was very mazy and crazy. Ma always says, "Why don't you come through Mr. Donkin's land? The footbridge track will bring you back." Ma doesn't understand. So here his mother asked him to take a short way. The shorter way is come through Mr. Donkin's land, and she even says to use small bridge, which will bring him home safely and quickly. But here the poet says that his mother doesn't understand. Now children, what his mother doesn't understand? He says that he is afraid of Mr. Donkin's dog. Now here the poet is afraid of Mr. Donkin's dog, and his mother doesn't understand this thing. Okay, so the rhyming word of roam is home, and the rhyming word land understand. Okay, Now the next stanza. I cannot go that way, you know, because of Donkin's dog. So I set forth and travel north and cross the fallen log. Okay. Now here the poet says, I can't choose the shorter way just because of Donkin's dog. As I told you earlier that he was afraid of Donkin's dog. So he has chosen the long way home, which was fourth, and it is in the direction of north. And he has crossed the fallen log. Log means a piece of wood. Okay. Last week when I was coming by, that log had lizard in it. And you can't say I stopped to play if I just search for a minute. Okay. Now the poet is sharing his experience, and he said last week when he was returning back, he had seen lizards on the log. Okay. A log is a piece of wood. Okay. He saw some lizards. But children, in this picture there is only one lizard. Okay. He has seen lizard and he stopped there to play with them. And he said, and you can't say I stopped to play if I just search for a minute. Now children, here the poet wanted to like to play with lizard, so he stopped there and played with them. Okay. So here there are two rhyming words. Dog rhyming word is log. It, minute. Okay. Now the next stanza. I look around upon the ground, and if there are no lizards, I go right on the reach and turn in front of Mrs. Blizzards. I do not seek to cross the creek because it's deep and floody, and Ma would be annoyed with me if I came home all muddy. Okay. So I look around upon the ground, and if there are no lizards, I go right on the reach the turn in front of Mrs. Blizzard. Okay. So children, in these two lines the poet says today he is big sad because he didn't find any lizard. So these lines shows that the poet liked adventure and enjoyed playing with lizard. So the benefit of the long way is that he has different type of interesting adventure, and he also get the chance to play with lizard. Okay. Now today he is very sad because he hasn't found any lizard there. Okay. Then I go right on the reach the turn in front of Mrs. Blizzard. Then he went right and reached the turn in front of Mrs. Blizzard. I do not seek to cross the creek because it's deep and floody, and Ma would be annoyed with me if I came home all muddy. Okay. So children, creek means a narrow sheltered waterway. Okay. So here the poet doesn't want to cross creek. Creek means a narrow sheltered waterway. He doesn't want to cross the creek because it is very deep and full of water like flood. And the another reason why he avoids this way, because his mother would scold him if he returns home muddy. That means if he uses the creek, he would become wet and muddy, and he returns home at that condition, his mother would very angry and scold him. Okay. So children, in this stanza the rhyming words are lizards and blizzards, floody and muddy. So students, the explanation of the poem is clear. Now we have completed the explanation of the poem. So recite the poem at your home. Thank you.